So there you have it. It's all shined up. I wiped it all off. Like you can see, there's no residue at all, and it just looks like new. It's a good way of selling the machine if you want to sell something. Kind of dangerous though. People can probably get ripped off by buying something that's super rough and it looks good because it's all shined up like this. But yeah, looks great. Did the exhaust, but I wiped it all off, so there's no residue on there at all. I even did the under the seat, which is stuck on. There's a bit of water, but you can only go so far there where you start considering being crazy. Might be a little crazy for spraying SC1 under the seat, but whatever. Did the job. On the inside of the fenders, there's a bit of grass in there, whatever. God, I love those wheels. I don't know why. I just love those wheels. So I'm thinking I might upgrade in the near future and probably go with like a 27. These are 26-inch Terracross. They got like over 2,000 kilometers, and they're not even like past the freaking groove here. So I don't know. Maybe stretch them out or buy new ones and keep these ones for winter, and maybe get some of those ice studs put in. Get those put in and see how that goes. Anyways, so yeah, just wanted to show you guys how much you can save time by spending $20 and buying a good can of SC1. Like, that stuff just, it works. That's all you need when you're cleaning your ATV. You want it to look good, well, shit works. You're not going to spend an hour wiping stuff off, which an hour, 20 bucks, is it worth it? Just spend 20 bucks and buy it, in my opinion. Look at the wheels, look good. I was debating them, like getting these done like powder coated like a khaki color, buying the XMR stickers, but no. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.